Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. I'm coming to you with flower making tutorial. As you know, I am one of the brand ambassador for Lady E Design, and today I will be using die number 9, which is flower 9. This is one of the newest release. So I will be making this large flower, and to make this flower you will need 3 layers of Foamiran. I will be working with purple Foamiran today. Very simple, very easy flowers to follow. You can also create a little flower, and for those you will need only just 1 layer of this little dye. So let's start. Let's create these flowers. They are very simple. They are perfect for beginners. So if you starting your flower making journey, I will highly recommend you this tutorial. So I've got my Foamiran ready. So as you can see, I've got 3 layers already created for this tutorial. So I'm bringing my iron, and my iron is just an ordinary iron. I will repeat that once again. Steam off with the temperature between 2 and 3 dots, which is between cotton and linen. So I'm placing each layer on my iron for a couple of seconds until the Foamiran start curling up, and then I'm releasing. And as you can see, I'm twisting just the top of my petals. I want to give them a little bit of a shade, a little bit of a crinkle. So this is what I'm going for. So I'm placing my last layer on the iron. As you can see, when it starts curling like this, it's ready to be released and to shape the desired shape, whatever you're going for. So this is the way how I usually create my flower. So once my layers are prepared and they warmed up on the iron, I'm unfolding each layer and gently stretching each petal in my finger like so. Once I've stretched the petals in my finger, I'm going on the top of my petals and gently twisting them in my fingers like so. So the tutorial is very simple, like I said. Now I'm bringing my poking tool. I have Tonic Studio by Tim Holtz, and I'm poking the hole in the center, and that will help me to pull my stamens through. It will be easy for me to do that. So I'm repeating the same process on each of our layers. So once again, unfolding layer, and then gently stretching each petal in my fingers like so. As you can see, I'm not using many tools in my flower making tutorials. I like to keep it simple. So I hope you will be able to create the flowers in the same way, which is, like I said, perfect for beginners. So the third layer I'm working on, I'm unfolding the layer as you've seen, and then gently stretching each petal in my finger like so. As you can see, I'm working towards the center, so the top of my petals have still those crinkles, and I'm gently twisting the end of the petals in my fingers. So just poking the hole like so, and now I'm ready to pull my stamens. To make this flower, I will be using 6 of stamens like so. You can use different stamens. You can use pearly stamens or even thinner than those ones. The choice is absolutely yours, and whichever the color of the Foamiran you will be using is also your choice. So I'm bringing my wire and putting my stamens on the wire and just threading through the first layer like so. Okay, so now I'm holding my petals down and bringing my hot glue gun. I'm working with Sizzix hot glue gun because it has this pointy end, and it also helps me to control the amount of the glue I'm applying. So as you can see, it's not giving me a big blob. it gives me a small amount of a glue to actually help me control how much glue is added. So now I'm pulling my stamens through and just squashing a little bit my petals. So that also gives me the chance to shape the petals how they will be facing, how my flower will be building up. So I'm going with the middle layer and repeating the process. So just pulling the stamens through. And before sealing the layers together with hot glue, I'm just positioning my layers so my petals not overlapping. And before you will seal them together, you've got a chance to maneuverate and check out whichever the petals facing the best. So obviously you will have a chance to check when the flower is will be full, very round, or if it's going to be just a little bit on side. The choice is yours. So my second layer is attached now. So the last layer going on, like so. You can take as much time as you want to create those flowers, and as I said, if you want to go for any other color of Foamiran, then absolutely feel free to do that. You can go from white to green to purple to blue, pink, peach, ivory, whatever color you want, the choice is yours. And the process is absolutely the same to follow. So once I'm happy with the placement of my third layer, I'm just sealing the layers together with a bit of a hot glue. As you can see, I'm squashing the petals a little bit underneath just to make sure my layers are sealed well so my flower will not come apart. You've got a chance obviously to stretch your petals to make sure the flower will look nice. So to finish off, I just need to chop off the excess of my stamens and just seal with a bit of a hot glue. So this is it. My flower is ready. So just to bring a few more. There we go. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you will be able to grab those dies and create the flowers in the same way as I demonstrate to you today. So that's everything for today. Like, just a quick reminder, it was flower number 9 from Lady E Design. So thanks very much for today, and I will talk to you super soon. Bye for now.